Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 4-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the street property location, attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings on the guests to enjoy their stay.
Which is the fabulous? A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
Category 1. You can see on the screen the size, bed type, facilities are included section. Category 5. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be at check-in. Guests love to enjoy the property along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem with this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed our channel,